Welcome to MicroVision Suite. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore one of our most powerful tools for digital microscopy, the image stitching, or panorama, feature. When you are working at high magnifications, you frequently encounter a very common limitation. The field of view of your microscope camera is simply too small to capture the entire region of interest in a single photograph. If you are inspecting a large weld, a long crack in a material, or an extensive biological sample, taking dozens of disconnected pictures makes analysis incredibly difficult. Our stitching tool solves this problem by allowing you to seamlessly combine multiple overlapping live frames into one massive, high-resolution panoramic image. To get started, navigate to the multi-frame menu and click on Stitching. This will open a dedicated workspace. First, position your sample under the microscope at the starting point of your area of interest. Once it is in focus, simply click the Add Frame button. The software captures the image and sets it as the foundation of your panorama. Next, gently move your microscope's XY stage to the next adjacent area. The golden rule for successful stitching is to maintain about 20 to 30% visual overlap between the previous frame and the new one. Once you have moved the stage, click Add Frame again. As you do this, you will notice our intelligent mini-map feature on the right side of the screen. The software instantly analyzes the microscopic features of your sample, calculates the relative movement, and updates the grid to show you exactly where you are navigating. Whether you are moving left, right, up, or down, the mini-map keeps track of your spatial orientation, ensuring you never lose your place on a large sample. You can continue moving the stage and adding as many frames as you need to cover the entire area. Once you have captured all the necessary overlapping frames, click the Stitch Images button. In the background, our advanced algorithm goes to work. It uses Scale Invariant Feature Transform to detect thousands of microscopic key points. It calculates precise affine transformations to align the images perfectly, compensating for any slight rotational shifts or mechanical stage inaccuracies. Finally, it mathematically blends the overlapping areas together to eliminate harsh seams, resulting in a single, continuous image. Because you are combining multiple frames, the raw stitched image will naturally have uneven or jagged black borders. To clean this up, we have included a built-in cropping tool. Click Select Area to crop, and simply draw a rectangle over the clean, central part of your panorama that you wish to keep. Click Confirm Crop, and the software instantly trims away the excess background. Now, your high-resolution panoramic image is ready. You can click Save Result to export it to your computer. The final image retains all the microscopic details, allowing you to perform accurate measurements or phase analysis on a macro scale. Overcome the limits of your microscope's field of view with MicroVision Suite. Visit our website to learn more and elevate your microscopy workflow today.